Pied Piper. There's 4. There's one over there, 5, and the other 2 must be down there.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dread's missing again. I'm a killer.
Mia, I can see you. Mia, I can see you.
Hello, hello. It's like a big black bear, that one. It's like a little black bear. Hey son, how you doing? Yeah, it's mental, this one.
Do you know when he's on? He's come.
Hey son, Kaiser, Kaiser.
Yeah, they're like, he don't do well. Is he always like, he always looks right down? I'm like, he's not normally like that.
It's lovely.
Poison down there, you silly bastard. Makes him sick. Stay off.
It's got us. Oh, he's got us.
It's nice to know that you're keeping
No one said and away from the family and that. They're trying to say, you're crying.
This one's got me glasses. These 2.
Yep. I know.
Floppy things. Pure torture. Look at him lying flat.
She's called Tyra. She's a tyrant and does everything she's not supposed to.
Oh, they're getting fighty.
Yeah, I mean, I've got some pages on Facebook, you know, AKITA ones, and they've got good names on there, but they're like for boys, and there's like, there's Yoshi that I like, and there's a few others as well, so they're like, oh, I'd be anybody there. You liking it? Oh, he's going on a madam. Oh, black one's back. I said black one's back. What?
That is he having one?
These 2 here, proper little fighters. Look at
went like that and I felt something on my foot. That's why I caught it, so it didn't land on your nose.
Dread's gone again.
Wait! Now you come! Move!
Oh, is it? Red?
Face. What are you batting?
What are you doing?
Batting you, ain't you? You're batting.
I'll get some cats. Pick them up with the tail.
Brett, is Fred down there?
This one.
Yeah. And little princess. She waiting for it.
I'll come and see my little shit.
Tell you, I'm putting them all in a fucking cage if you carry on licking it.
Which one's he having?
What?
Depends on there. What we had used for ages. Give him some boss.
Are you a good bitch? You're not a touchy face no more. Go away. I don't want to talk to you. Evermore.
Roll.
No. 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 Don't want to talk to you.
At least it stopped raining.
See, well, imagine if we'd have brought them all in. It took us about an hour to round them up.
I wouldn't have. I've got 4 at a time.
You've got your little pipe out like you normally do.
Yeah.
Like piper.
I just sing and they all come running in. I love the sound of my voice.
Sounds like children.
You got one following you, black one.
That is a fucking wasp, stupid.
You like your black ones, don't you?
I do.
Yeah, man.
No, you're not it. You're not supposed to show me feet.
What are you trying to say, Brett?
What?
Is it just not good enough for you no more?
Shut up, idiot.
Ah, lad.
Oh, lad.
Ah, lad.
Don't wait till bonfire night.
What, so you can put me on fire?
Scare the shit out the dog.
So I can get loads of fireworks. Then what shoot coloured ones and hold them. Fire them at each other.
1, 2,
Roman candle.
3,
Ah!
4.
And get rocket,
5.
put tube in your hand. Like rocket, watch it fly out at
6.
tube while it's in your hand.
No, that's not right.
That
4.
were like 15.
I just can't
Shoot
count.
fireworks to each other.
Yeah, that's what we used to do. We used to all give it to you. The fireworks. Boom, take you.
Look at that, each would you get fireworks shoots at you.
I'm surprised. I think it's fucking Middle East.
Ow! In between the legs, who's that? Mia, what are you doing, love?
There's one behind you, Brett.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, look, tucking my shoulder. So we all, Marty. No one playing with it.
Is it docile, that one of mine, or what?
Yeah, probably.
Just run round in a circle.
Just like its owner.
Exactly, that's what I mean. Yeah, docile, exactly.
Oh, look.
Mine's proper huffy. He's done me out.
He's got a cut.
There's black ones and that one with like ginger short hair. There, this one. This one. Then took a while.
I was saying that, you know, when Amber comes, it doesn't do up, does it?
No.
It just lays there.
The normal place to go all with Teddy for him on one, doesn't it?
Might as well get him a drink, can I?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah.
You want? No, he's over here. There he is. Yeah.
This down. I don't want to crush any puppies.
I've got to learn not to go underneath his feet.
Yeah.
No. Listen. You're just rammed in. I can't believe how you got them so well trained. Like going for the wet. Normally dogs, you can't tell them out. Not if they'll get a drink when they want to.
food and that, but there's one won't growl.
Yeah, it's Kaiser.
Out one tub do they eat?
He's not water aggressive, he's food aggressive.
He'll growl to other
But
pups,
like-
but if we put our hand there, he won't growl. He's just against
I'm
other
just
pups.
pulling him out and saying no, and then letting him go back and letting him feed again. And if he does it again, just keep doing it.
Yeah.
You want then? You know, to...
But he don't if we put his hand there. It's just with other pups there, so...
Bruce trying to attack his mum's boat.
You're going to tangle yourself, Tora.
It's going like mad, this one. Let us in. Let me in. 3, 7. Sorry about that running around.
3 brindles.
Because people do it with
2
kids,
black.
didn't they? 1, 2, 3. Where's he at?
Watch him, one behind you.
We're
You've
mad.
got to be quite careful, I mean.
I've stood on it loads of times, me. You're always getting underneath my
Tara's
feet.
trying to go to the toilet. She's going to go and get shit off.
Pester her. Yeah.
Leave your mother alone.
It's a
She's
nice
trying
time
to
in
go to
here.
the
It's
toilet.
so nice of my baby girl. Oh, I think he's a good... No, not bite me. I didn't bite you.
I had 25 bags of shit yesterday. I cleaned up what I've been cleaning for ages.
I don't do picking shit up outside.
Of everyone's garden.
Yeah, you do training, don't you?
Yeah. I'm the dog whisperer.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, easy
Clean
trees. Well, I did it so I could cut grass. I've done here for this, I've got other here to do now. I've got this garden and that garden.
Well, you get off my shoe.
You then, Caesar.
Caesar Milan.
Caesar Milan.
I want to move with him. I want to live with him.
Oh, Caesar Milan.
Yeah.
I like that
He'll
show.
get shit to you straight away.
Very nice teeth.
I like that show. He
He'll get
thinks
rid
he's a
of you straight
wanker.
away. He'll take you to pound.
Tyra's licking it with a stick. Tyra's going to pinch it.
Get him.
Tyra's licking it with balls. Tyra, you cannot fit under the... Alright then. That's what I thought. Just put me back now for it.
Oh, so mine's a bit of a bully, isn't it, really?
Yep.
Yeah. But you still got black ones. You'll pick it in turns.
Because maybe a few AKITAs round here then, isn't there? When they all grow up.
Yep.
There's 2